Time news tonight. Outrageous. Lawyer representing Jamaican fishermen rips into government's response. Investigation underway after several cars broken into outside the National Stadium during CONCACAF game. And manufacturers lament impact of plastic ban.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, has a new president. I'll tell you who and the new focus for the association later in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Jermaine Brown with a look at what's coming up in sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. Off and running, the National Senior and Junior Track and Field Championships began today at the National Stadium. We'll have the details when we come back.
I see who wanted to be an athlete.
No, who was an athlete.
Oh,
was an athlete.
Okay, I stand corrected. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on the format for the PEP results to be released tomorrow? And again, PEP means Primary Exit Profile. That's replaced GSAT.
All right, you can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.